This tutorial will walk you through the process of passing job order transactions. Log in to the system with the respective login credentials. Login credentials. Step 1. Creating a job order. Go to the Sales module. Click on Typing Direct Invoice plus Job Order. Select the customer. Select the service item. Select the Gov account and the Gov fees. Assign a staff from this column. Enter all the other required details. Click on Add Item button for adding the next item line. Click on Place Order. The following message will appear. Step 2. Add supplier expense against transaction. Go to the Sales module. Click on Job Order Transactions. Find the respective job order from the list. Click on this icon. Select the supplier. Fill all the required columns, Gov, fee, service charge, commission, etc. Closing parenthesis. Select a payment account if the payment is right away. But if the payment is to be made later, select Delayed. Click on Add Expense. The following message will appear. Step 3. Marking the transaction as completed. Click on this icon against the respective job order. Enter all the required details. Click on Mark as completed.